Hello po sa lahat. Topic natin ngayon is kung paano ba mag-design ng database. When you have a database project, the first thing you need to do is analyze and design the structure of your database. But how? When you design, you have to bear in mind the term normalization. This is the process on designing your database to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. Imagine if you have data like this. It's very unorganized. But if you will try to analyze, you can group this data into this. Designing database is crucial since you just don't group the related data together, but you have to consider optimal storage and performance when data is used. Designing relational database is called normalization. When designing, you should look for places where data would repeat and what values would depend on one another, so you can group certain things together logically. For example, you have this data in your spreadsheet. You have the names, contact number, the product, description, category, the price, and the date. So this spreadsheet stores information of the clients and what products they bought, on what price, and on what date. Yes, you can design it like this, but as you grow your sales, this spreadsheet becomes more complicated to look at and maintain. If you analyze the data, it may look like this. You can group information per entity, so one for client, items, category, and sales. But this is still not normalized because you still have redundancy issue. And how will you identify who bought what or who paid that certain amount? If you apply normalization and relation in your database to reduce possible redundancy, it will look like this. You will relate your tables. For example, your items, there's a foreign key from category, so you will know that this item belongs to this category. So these two tables are related. And for the client, we relate it to the sales table. The same with the item. So in this table, you will know that, example, for the sale ID 1, the client ID 100 bought item ID of 50. So this table will show you that one row of information, you have the item that was bought by a certain client on a specific price and on a certain date. The problem is there will be redundancy issue on this part of your table, since what if one client bought two or more items? So we will solve this redundancy here later on our next topic. As you have noticed, a table is an entity. Like in our example, it's the client, category, items, and the sales. So when you design your database structure, that you have to group together the related information and relate those information to another table, just like what we just did in here. Gaya nga ng parati kong sinasabi sa mga estudyante ko, iba't ibang database designer, iba't ibang structure din ng database ang ginagawa. Masasabi mo lang na tama ang design ng database mo kapag wala ng redundancy sa data. Sana malinaw po sa inyo ang topic na to. If you have questions and clarifications, comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.